Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I ordered some boxes from Jomar, 5 boxes to be exact. I have only received 2 of the boxes. 2 of them came today. For reference, I ordered these on September 5th and today is September 29th. So if you order from Jomar, unless you get their like pre-packed, like already packed shit, you're gonna wait a while for shipping, so that kind of sucks. Okay, so the first box I'm gonna show you is the assorted denim shorts. These are juniors, 20 pieces, $33 for 20 pieces, so that breaks down to $1.65 per pair. I'm not gonna show you the box, it's kind of heavy, it's just full of denim. But it comes with this little tissue paper thing on the top, a little thank you card. Never mind, upon further inspection of this box, it's just one box. This is the denim pack, women's pre-loved denim, 25 pieces. I don't know how much I paid for it. I'll have to check when I'm editing. I thought it was 2 boxes in one, but no, I've only received 1 box. Cool, even cooler, even cooler. Great, I love it. All right, first pair of jeans are from Denim Bershka. These are the straight cropped jeans, size 00. What? That's not a 00. That is not a 00, but okay, I'll definitely provide measurements. I've never heard of this brand. Bershka denim or Denim Bershka, I don't know. But they are button fly, raw hem at the bottom. These are cute. I like light wash jeans, but these are not a 00. Like, no way. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to measure these guys. Next pair we have from H&M. These are a size 4. Again, these are cute. These are like mom jeans, but like super wide leg. Yes, those are cute. Those are really high rise. Again, I'll provide measurements. It says size 4, but I don't know. Why does the sizing look off to me? That looks bigger than a 4. I don't know. Next pair from Express. These are the stretch skinny mid-rise jeans. These are a 4, size 4. Looks like this. I'm not really looking over, like I'm not looking stuff over for flaws. I'll look at that like after. I'm just making this video. All right, next pair is, I don't know. Is there an RN number? Is there an RN number? Yes, let's look up this RN number. Hold please. I don't know what this brand is. Old Navy. Cool. Oh, I got some Old Navy jeans. Cool. Look like this. These are a size 12. Light wash. Got a hole in the pocket here. Hole in the bum. Okay, cool. Old Navy, yeah. These are Denim Forum. We make a great pair. I've never heard of this brand. These are the Lola High Rise Skinny, size 27. I don't know, just some black skinny jeans, raw hem. A lot of black jeans in here. All right, these are 91 cotton on, high 90s. These are a size 6. Look like this. Oh, okay, we got a little bit of distressing. Okay, everything will hopefully be posted in my Poshmark closet, so again, I suck at like holding things up and showing you guys. We got some Gap jeans. Gap. These are the true skinny jeans, 27. So it's 27. Look like this. White jeans. These are Mavi jeans. Never heard of this company. Mavi. These are the Alexa ankle mid-rise skinny jeans. Size, I don't know, 25. White jeans. Mavi jeans. There's a stain on the butt I can see right now. Okay, more Old Navy. Stoked. These are the Rockstar mid-rise jeans. These are a size 8. These, nothing special, probably just donate those. Ooh, they're cuffed on the bottom though. Whoa. All right, more Gap jeans. The regular classic straight jeans, size 27. Guys, seriously, a lot of black jeans. Raw hem. Come on, let's get a good brand. H&M, size 4. Ooh, these are wide leg too. There's some paint stains on the back though. or nail polish. I don't know. Meh. Maybe I'll bleach these. Maybe. They're like super wide leg though. Lee. Ooh, are these vintage? These might be vintage. These might be vintage. I don't know. The tag is very old looking. I don't know how to tell the date on these. I think these are a size 00. Like this. Again, guys, wide leg. All of these are wide leg jeans. These are Uniqlo. I see this brand all the time at the thrift store. I think this is like a overseas brand, I think. These are the skinny tapered ultra stretch jeans, size 8, I think. No, those aren't size 8. I don't know what size it is. I don't know. Raw hem. These are H&M size 31. Okay, so a bigger size. Just gray skinny jeans. More Old Navy. Rockstar. Is that the only type of jeans that they make? Yeah, these are size 10. They're pink. I mean, at least it's a bigger size. They're distressed. They're like coming up white on camera, but they're like a light pink. J brand. Okay. These are the skinny leg jeans. These are a size 25 in this blue color. I think I've sold these before, actually. Actually, or I have them in my closet. Guys, I have so much inventory. So much inventory. Okay, more Express jeans. These are the super soft, barely boot and mid-rise jeans, size 6. I used to wear Express jeans in high school. I loved them. Looks like that. Give me something good. Lucky brand. These are the high-rise skinny Bridget jeans. Ooh, I've sold these before. These are a bigger size. They're a size 12 or 31. Okay. All right, these ones should do well. I have sold this exact pair before. I don't remember the size, but all right. We got some Levi's 514 straight leg jeans. These are a size 18. 18. This is kid sizing. Yep. 18. Cool. Kid sizing. Didn't it say? It says women's pre-loved. These are kids. I'll show you the tag. My battery's gonna die. That's kids. Guys, there's no way that's definitely, yeah, that's kids. Boys, to be exact. Okay, cool. It's not women's, it's boys. I'll come back with a new battery. Okay, these are Joie. That's how you say it, right? Joie. Size 27. Are these vintage? This tag looks pretty old. Sorella's playing peekaboo with Nolan. This is what they look like. These are like 90s. Yes, okay. All right, more Uniqlo jeans. These are a size 24. Green jeans. All right, we got some more Gap jeans. These are the best girlfriend jeans, size 27. Yeah, okay. Okay. Give me something good. Sono, the Basics Collection denim, size 13 or 31. I have no idea what this brand is. They're literally outside my door playing. Yeah, they just look like this. Okay. And then the last pair. Flying Monkey. I see this brand at the thrift store all the time. I don't know what size. Oh, 29. It's black with like pilling on the butt. Black. These are like really stretchy and soft. What are these made out of? Oh, Tencel. Cotton, polyester, and spandex. Yeah, these are like really stretchy. So my honest thoughts on this box, I'm honestly not too excited. I'll be able to sell some of it, but not for a lot. The Joie pants, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, not too excited. And I got a kid size, and I think I'm missing one too. Again, I gotta recount when I edit this. Yeah, overall, not too excited about this box. I have gotten some really good boxes from Jomar, and then I've gotten boxes like this before. So it's definitely a gamble when you buy these mystery boxes. And yes, I am affiliated with them, but that makes no difference. As you can see, you know, they don't like go through their orders and see like, oh, that's Vanessa's name. She's an ambassador for us. We're gonna send her a good box. Like they don't do that at all. So, I mean, this is proof that they don't do that. Otherwise, they would have sent me not Old Navy jeans. So yeah, just know if you are gonna order from them that it's a mystery, it's a gamble, and that's the risk that you take. That being said, if you do want to order from them, I will have a link down below. You will get a percentage off. I don't remember exactly what my discount is, but I'll have a link down below. I don't really think this box is worth it. I'm definitely kind of disappointed. I do have 4 more boxes coming from them, so stay tuned. I will tell you guys what I think of those boxes. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.